Hello everyone, I am Pankaj Bishwakarma, your computer teacher, and today we are going to start with Chapter 2, and this is the part 1 of Chapter 2. GUI Operating System and Introduction. Hey friends, the learning outcome from this video lesson are role of an operating system, types of OS based on user interface. Without wasting much time, let's discuss and enrich our knowledge. Before we begin with OS, I want you to look at the pictures given below and classify them as hardware and software. Very good. Now you have a clear idea about hardware and software. What is OS? An operating system, or OS, is the most important software that runs on a computer. A computer cannot run without an OS. We are able to give instructions and get our work done on a computer because of the operating system OS. An operating system manages all the hardware components of the computer. Some examples of popular OS used for laptop and desktop are given above. This is Apple and Windows. Do you know? Even mobile phones have an operating system. Look at the picture given below. These are the operating systems for the mobile phone. Function of an operating system. Look at this picture carefully. Operating system is controlling the entire part of the computer, hardware and the software. Let's see the role of this operating system. Operating system interacts with the user. Operating system controls hardware device of the computer. Operating system also keeps track of all running programs in the computer. Now let's learn about types of OS based on user interface. What is user interface? A user interface is the way in which we communicate or interact with the computer. There are two main types of user interface. Number 1, command line interface, and number 2, graphical user interface. Command line interface, or CLI. In early days, the operating systems offered command line interface, or CLI. This meant that the users had to write commands to give instructions to the computer. These commands were understood by the operating system to get the desired work done. Next we have GUI, that is Graphical User Interface. Graphical User Interface, or GUI, allows user to communicate and give instruction through graphical icons and other visual elements such as menus. Users can easily use the picture-based graphical elements through pointing device such as finger on the touchscreen and a mouse. Let's update ourselves. Nowadays, device such as Google Home offers voice-based interface to the user. What does it do? They understand voice-based commands and act accordingly. Here we come to the end of part 1 video lesson. Take care.